If you have ever wondered how to make white homemade flour, you are certainly in the right place. Today I'll be comparing two methods side by side so you can see clearly for yourself what exactly makes the difference. Hello family, let's get started. And here's our star ingredient, coconut. For the first method, we're going to be using it without peeling the back. After washing your coconut, you can cut it into smaller bits to make it easier for your blender to blend. And in no time, we're done blending. You have to check the texture to be sure that it's smooth enough. So go on to strain the milk. Make sure to properly separate the pulp from the coconut milk because what we need is the pulp. Don't throw away the pulp because that's what we are going to be using in making a coconut flour. So here is our coconut pulp. Coconut milk has been extracted but it's not dry. So go on to put it under the sun to dry or you use your oven. I put mine to dry under the sun, but the weather wasn't favorable. At the end of the day, I had to dry it using my oven. But one thing to note is that if you're going to dry it in your oven, it's not going to give you a white color. Even if you dried it under the sun, it will not give you a coconut flour that is white. So when it's properly dried, go ahead to blend it. Blending it will give it a finer and lighter consistency. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe if you love this video. Go ahead to give me a thumbs up. On this channel, expect amazing videos every week. So you can go ahead and save it if you want. Some of the advantages of this method is that it saves your time and reduces waste. The end result is still a nutritious coconut flour. For the second method, you have to remove the skin of the coconut. This singular action will make so much difference. And the only difference is in the appearance. When you're done peeling the back of a coconut, go ahead to wash it properly. And then if you do not have a blender, go ahead to use your grater. The smallest part of your grater is what's going to do the work for you. You see how white it already looks? The only disadvantage using this method is that it takes up time. That's the time you're going to use to peel the skin. But for the color, I think it might be worth the effort. But what do you think? I'd like to know your opinion in the comments. So this is basically the manual method. We're going to just pour in some water so we can extract our coconut milk. So if you're not sure what coconut flour is used for, coconut flour can be used for cakes, pastries, and even as a Nigerian swallow. So guys, can you see the difference? This particular coconut pulp is white as snow. Go on to spread it out on a tray and put it under the sun to dry. If you want to maintain a snow white color, make sure you don't put it in your oven. It's just going to change the color of your coconut flour. This does not need so much time to dry. You can see how white a coconut pulp is. Now is the time for us to blend. I basically poured that into the blender and I blended it and afterwards went on to sieve. You can choose to leave it like that. It's still fine, but if you prefer a lighter texture, go on to sieve. So guys, which do you prefer? The cream colored flour with the skin on or a whiter flour without the skin? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.